Here we are at Patricia Allen Park, and little Munchkin is swinging in her little Marshall shirt that she just got. Isn't she a cutie? Hi, sweet girl. What? The swings are slippery, she says. Don't do that. Well, good thing you didn't. Okay, we'll take some more video later. With your flip-flops? Okay.
Get off, Lexi. You're gonna hurt yourself.
There Aiden goes. She's climbing up the spider with her flip-flops. I'm not sure if the wind is going to be. Loud in this video. Not sure. Come on, Munchkin, you can do it. Did you just say no, you can't? Oh my goodness. I thought we weren't going to use those words. No, I can't. And she's up. It's not going to. You're fine. Nice. I don't know. Already? We just got here.
I know.
Here she is on the little spinny swing seats thingy. I think she's getting dizzy. Dizzy again. It's soft?
No, it stopped.
Oh, it stopped. Okay. What you gonna do now?
I'm going back on the swings.
All right, you do that. I'm gonna show what Allie does when we go to the park.
I'll follow you.
This is what Allie does when we go to the park.
She doesn't like showing her face.
Oh, well that's funny because she takes pictures of herself all the time.
Got some water.
Where's there a bee? I don't see a bee.
Right there.
Oh, it's a tiny little one. Oh, that's a big one. I'm taking video of it. Those aren't stinger bees, I don't think.
You think they're honeybees?
Yeah, I don't think those sting. Hi, baby girl. Aiden, you were going down this one, I thought. Give it another try.
No, baby, we gotta take you home and get you on your oxygen. We gotta take Bubby home and get him on his oxygen.
Come on, Munchkin. I just saw a bunch of kids do it, so they're fine. So will you. You'll be fine. Honey, I just saw a bunch of kids come down. It didn't bother them. You can do it. Just go. You're going to go quickly. It's not even going to touch you. I'm going to try to make it to the top.
They're over there in the shade.
All right. Well, that's kind of the halfway point. That's really not the kind of top. That's like halfway. Yeah, and I didn't get video of it because she lost her shoe. Oh, there we go. Spinny cherry thingy.
And has he got us? No.
No, it's chasing and screaming at me.
There's the girls climbing the little, not little, the spider tower thing.
Hey guys, so we got home a few minutes ago from going to the Hibachi Grill for lunch and going to Walmart and the Green for ice cream. And there's someone that wants to say hi to you. It's Trixie. I got her from Hot Topic Thursday. And my Marshall Lee shirt too. Perfect. No way. So, that's it, I guess. Except, well, here's Trixie. She has blue skin and purple eyes. See? Purple eyes and like white hair and her star cap and her star cape. Princess, come here! Come here! And this is our doggy princess. And you saw Simba this morning. Okay, bye. Bye. Look, Mama, chicken. Princess wants to say hi to Princess, come here!
Even I can't go that fast.